Welcome to Short View Trading. This is your 1 minute market hit for Wednesday the 23rd of October. What matters today for traders? Despite the failure to sustain the break out of the consolidation range by the S&P 500, we still think the medium-term trend is up, and therefore we still like the idea of being overweight long in the short term. That medium-term trend is supported by our correlation models. If you look at a cross-correlation models of the 30 single stocks in the DAX, it's showing very much a high level of correlation across those 30 single stocks, which is, if you like, another way of saying the breadth supporting this recent uptrend in the DAX has been pretty good. And of course, the DAX is really leading markets at the moment, given its industrial weighting. Added to that, you get a similar sort of message from the equity and bond correlation model. If you look in the US equities and US bond correlation, it's highly negative at the moment. That tends to be the case nearer lows than highs. At highs, those two tend to break down and correlate positively rather than correlating negatively as they are at the moment. Of course, if you look at it closely, the S&P and bond yields are moving very much in lockstep at the moment. So those type of correlation models, amongst others, support the idea the medium-term trend is up. If that's the case, we want to stay long on our daily rag short-term trading, at least until there's clear and across-the-board sell signals from a whole variety of short-term 1 to 2 week models. And at the moment, that's not the case. There's plenty of put downside protection in place. ETF buying hasn't been high, and one or two other models signal room for further upside from here. And we think the catalyst could well be earnings. We've got big tech earnings coming up quite shortly. Microsoft after the close today, and then on to others tomorrow and next week, Google, Facebook, and the like. So a lot of key tech earnings. 47 S&P 500 earnings in total today that should support market. That's one of the key factors we're watching, along with the macro data, albeit it's quite light today, better tomorrow with some flash PMIs. And then, of course, we're also watching critically the price action in treasuries. So that's it from us. That's your 1 minute market hit for Wednesday, 23rd of October. Thank you very much for listening. Please do subscribe on YouTube, on Twitter, or through LinkedIn. Thank you very much.